Hello everyone, this is your girl Queen of Hearts. I'm over here in Zolfo Springs to decorate for the birthday party today. The young lady is turning 69 and we're over here in Pioneer Park area. And I'm walking into the building showing you the before. This is the before, and I will show you the after. This is your girl Queen of Hearts with Ambitious Diva ENT. Get ready to decorate me and my team for today's event, which is a birthday party. The young lady is turning 69, so stay tuned for the after. Howdy! We disinfect the building, we're going to spray it down, now we wipe it down the tables, we stay in COVID safe. How that makes us deep in, we get you. Disinfecting and sterilizing, step-by-step process. Yeah. When?